Alright, so in order to get to your BCM, you gotta take off all your lower trim. You gotta take off your airbag module for your knees. And then you gotta remove all these pretty little clips. Right here, all these connectors. And then when you remove all those, you're gonna have a 10mm that's right here. And then you're gonna have one that's all the way back here. There's a light on that. That one, and you're gonna have one that's underneath back here. There it is. And then you'll be able to actually take and just pull out your BCM. So you'll be able to take it and just pull it out like that. Alright, so here is the new part. Here's the old part. Part numbers are the exact same. You guys can see that for yourself. Part numbers right here. Part numbers right here. Now, remember on this one I had corrosion all over the place. And there's actually broken pins on the inside too. This one, nice and pretty. Now, I gotta come up here and I gotta try clean out this connector as best as I can. There's broken pins on the inside, which I have to try to remove also. So this is gonna be a fun one. So, I'll get to doing all of that, and I will give you guys a follow-up as soon as I'm done. Now, in order to clean the connector, I'm just gonna be using some, because there's heavy corrosion, I'm just gonna use some battery cleaner. I could use contact cleaner, but with the amount of corrosion that's in there, I really want it to like work. So to me, battery cleaner, way better. So, I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, now it's the moment of truth. We are gonna take and we are gonna, I have my BCM plugged in. Now if you remember in my first video I showed you guys that I had no control whatsoever onto the dash. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start the car. We're gonna take and we're gonna try and see if we can make this guy work. I got another piece of paper up on the dash and we're gonna see what's going on. So, first things first, we're gonna start it. And it's even starting faster, guys. So, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this guy on. And right away, you see I have control. I go from hot to cold. You can actually hear it changing. I'll take my mic, maybe you guys can hear it a little better. Put my mic up here. It's gonna be loud for a minute, guys. I just want to really show you guys that it is changing. So. And it's just from going from hot to cold. So now what we're going to do, we're going to come down here. That one's working. This one's working. Everything seems to be working. That's just my feet. My feet are working. And now to test. There we go. So, conclusion to this video for you guys is that there was either they washed the car and they splashed it all over the place and it got water up there and the water just started to corrode, or maybe even the windshield got replaced. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take and check that out real quick because I'm not gonna give it back to the customer just like this. But I think that the windshield might have been replaced. So, and water is actually leaking down from up at the windshield down onto the wiring for the BCM. So we gotta fix that. I gotta try to fix that before I give it back to the customer. So that's the continuation, but everything does work now. So the issue was the fuse block for the BCM control. Like I said, this guy wasn't pretty to begin with, guys. I got corrosion that's on here. Look at all the corrosion that's all over my fuses. So, with that being said, I'm going to leave you guys be. And this car is pretty much fixed, except for that water leak, which I have to find. So, you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys next time.